Hello everyone. Today we are going to be doing investigation 5.1, observing gravitational potential and kinetic energy. So in this lab today, you'll need the following materials: your ring stand with a clamp, you'll have a steel ball, a meter stick, a ruler, or some of your teachers may have tape marks. I have both for this video, and then a pie tin with sand inside of it. And what you'll be doing is measuring the diameter of the kind of like the hole or the impact made in the sand when you drop the ball from certain distances. So for your lab today, you'll be dropping the ball from the following distances, or the height, 20 centimeters, 30 centimeters, 40 centimeters, 50 centimeters. So to kind of show you what you'll be doing, you'll take your ring stand at 20 centimeters, you'll get ready to place the ball right in the clamp at that 20 centimeters, and then you'll drop it. And to move my camera, you can see that this steel ball has now made some impact in the sand. Once you do that, what you'll be measuring and recording down on your data table is the diameter of the impact in the sand. The diameter is just straight across. So you want to use your ruler and you're going to measure in centimeters across. I can see that that is about 6 centimeters. So I'd write that down in my data table, and I would do 3 trials for the 20 centimeters, and then I'd move on to the 30, 40, 50. Also, while you're doing the lab, you'll kind of want to shake the sand back so that that impact is gone and everything's kind of flat out again. So once you do that, you'll move up to 30, move up to 40, move up to 50, 3 trials each. So if you are watching this video in class and just watching it for the directions, you can pause the video here. If you are watching this video outside of class, I'm actually going to walk through and do the lab throughout the rest of this video. So continue watching if you want to get some lab results for this. So starting with 20 centimeters, I'm going to do the 3 trials, and I'm just going to keep my camera down low here so that you can see it. So starting with trial 1, 20 centimeters, here's my first trial. All right, let's measure that. That is about, the diameter is about 6.5 centimeters there. So that's for trial 1. Trial 2. That is about 6.5 again, maybe 6.3, 6.4 centimeters. And trial 3. And that's about 6.5, 6.5 centimeters again. So there are my 3 trials for 20 centimeters, and you'll want to find the average. I'm not going to do that for you, but by now you should be a pro at getting averages. All right, so now I moved my height up to 30 centimeters, and I'll do my 3 trials for that. So trial 1. That is about 6.8 centimeters. Trial 2. That's about 7 centimeters there. And trial 3. And that's about 6.8 again. Find your average for 30 centimeters. And you may not be able to see my clamp at this point in the video. I'm not really sure what you can see, but I'm going to keep the video down on the sand here, and I'm moving on to 40 centimeters. So here's trial 1. That's about 7.5 centimeters. Trial 2. That's 8 centimeters. And trial 3. And that's 8.5 centimeters. So got quite bigger as we did those trials. Find your average for 40 centimeters. And last but not least, we'll do our trials for 50. Here we go, trial 1. Getting sand everywhere. All right, that was about, it's kind of hard on an angle here, about 8.5. Trial 2. It's about 8.6. And the last trial for 50 centimeters, trial 3. It's about 8.5 again. So find your average for 50 centimeters. When you are finished, you can graph your data. Remember, you're graphing your averages. And that is it for today's lab.